How to use your Apple AirTags on a luggage. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Genie Guide. In this video, I'll give you a couple of tips on how you can use your AirTag and then place it inside of your luggage so that people who find your luggage will not be able to find the AirTag and then remove it, and that you can actually track it. So just make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, it's a very common thing. It depends upon how your luggage is designed in the first place. If it has some kind of pocket that will allow you to pack some stuff into it, you can go ahead and put that inside of that pocket. For this example, you can actually basically just see this wallet. I'm just going to, let's say that this is the luggage, right? All you have to do is make sure to place it somewhere inside zip and where others can actually find it. Even if they find it, you can cover it with something else for them to wonder what this item really is. But it also depends really upon your luggage, as I said, because you have to make sure to place it somewhere safe, where the network is also reachable and where the sound doesn't play too much for others to bear in mind. And when you actually just find someone who has this luggage, they can hopefully contact you, and then make sure to find out who this AirTag really belongs to, and you can also locate it if you want to. But keep in mind, it depends upon your luggage to luggage, so you want to make sure to place it just somewhere inside some kind of pocket, maybe the side pocket or maybe the back pocket where it's not really obvious. And hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.